I just received this vibration board and I'm so excited to try it. I've never had one at my house before, but I've tried them before, so I'm really excited I got this. So let's go ahead, open it up, and see what comes inside. So I just opened it up from the box and this is what came inside. This is the vibration board itself. This is what it looks like. I'll explain it better in a second here. These are like resistant bands which you can hook to work on your upper body while you're still being on the board. And then last but not least, it comes with this, which is where you plug it in to get it to work. So you can see I just plugged it in, and all I'm going to do is switch it on here in the back. And then all you do is you click this red button to get it started, which I already did. And then you just click start. And as you can see, it's working, and it even has put out where your feet go. And then once you want to stop it, all you do is just click the stop. You guys can also see that they have these like little metal balls. So these are where your foot hits contact with the floor. So it kind of massages them. As you may know, right here your foot is like a little curved and higher, so you wouldn't feel it. But where your foot meets contact with the floor, it has these little massage balls that just help release pressure from your feet and get a nice massage in. Another thing to mention is the mode. So you can see there's a mode button here. Right now it's on manual mode. So once I click start, you can see it's on speed 1. If you hold this, it goes up. It can go all the way up to 300, and then once you want to lower it, you can go back down just by holding this. And then if you want it, you click one more time, it goes to a automatic mode, and basically the automatic mode automatically like changes the levels and like the speed of how fast it's going just based off like your workout. So now I'm just going to show you guys me going on it. I'm just going to click start, and I like to use these normally after like a workout. So I do cross country every day, and normally I get like super sore and stuff after like hard workouts. So I like doing this after my workout so I'm not as sore or feel as tense. But I know other people use it while getting ready. Like I've seen videos of them just brushing their teeth and they use it. So really, you can use it anytime you want. But now I'm just going to show you how these like bands work. So for these bands, they have at the bottom these little things that just are like this. They're hooks, which you can move. And you can attach your bands here and just work on your upper body while you're still feeling relieved. This is the remote that I'm going to show you guys. It also does use battery, but it's just so you don't have to bend over. It's super nice to have. So a quick run through is this is the power button. This is to play, which is to start it. You have a pause one, and then this P is to choose a present workout. The M is for manual mode. You can control it. The high and low is to make it faster / stronger. And then the clock buttons on the sides. On the side, change the workout time, and then you have the 3 exercise buttons, which are just quick workout options. I'm going to show you how it works now. So all you do, again, just start your thing, and there are multiple different workouts you can do. I'm just going to show you guys 2. I know like the 2 most popular ones are doing these ones, and then also these ones. So overall, if you're looking for a vibration board that honestly it comes with a workout and with a relief, and you can do these all around the house. I know most vibration boards just come with that, but this also comes with a band, so I really like that about it. If you're looking for any way to get like a mini massage, and you could do it anywhere around your house as long as you could just plug it in, then I would definitely recommend trying this one.